We are at 14851 Northeast 66th Street, Redmond, Washington 98052. Again, that is 14851 Northeast 66th Street, Redmond. I'm going to push out
upstream into the house too real quick.
We're going to go upstream towards the house right now. We'll pull out and go downstream towards the main. Go ahead. Okay, back. That's good enough. Okay, stop. We got to figure out how to get this thing. Sorry about that. Had to fix the connection. Go ahead. Small belly there. You go back in just a touch. The pipe looks a little bit oval right here. I don't know that that's going to have any dramatic effect, but it does look oval to me. Push in and out through there a couple of times. Okay, there you go. Okay, come back out. Yeah, it's definitely pushed up on the bottom of the pipe a little bit right there. Okay. Okay, please reset the distance. It's clean still, isn't it? Okay. Going downstream. Pull out a little bit. There's a wire right there, still has some roots. I recommend putting a liner in this line. Keep the roots from coming in. There's also a small crack in the pipe right there, it appears to be. Keep going in. We just hydrojetted the line. We were able to get all the root intrusion removed from the pipe. We'll push out to the main and then be done with the recording. Yeah, this would benefit from a liner to reduce the requirement for maintenance. The roots do like to keep coming back. Liner would stop somewhere in this neighborhood here. Pull back out a little bit. Here, I'm going to rotate the screen. Okay, that's the bottom of the screen showing probably the test tee, so now we're in the beginning of the 6-inch pipe. Go ahead and push out. Liner should go and stop before the 6-inch pipe. That's actually 6-inch right there. This is out in the right of way. And there's the city main. Tap the city main. End of the recording.